Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports. Excited to offer you guys, as you will see in this video, a gorgeous 2001 Jeep Cherokee XJ. Very, very rare configuration, limited trim level with a upcountry package. For 2001, with a limited upcountry finished in white, there's 8 Cherokees ever produced. So this is one of 8, and this has 46,000 original and documented miles. The undercarriage of this Jeep looks absolutely brand new. Please make sure to watch this entire video. We're going to show you the entire undercarriage. We're also going to give you some drive time in it as well. Here at Davis AutoSports, if you're familiar with us, we've been specializing in selling, rebuilding, restoring, and general XJ work since 2009, regarded as the largest and most well-known Cherokee XJ company in the world. This is one of the nicest, most original Cherokees we have ever gotten in. We are shooting this in 4K. If you have the ability to watch it in 4K, please do so. These things are getting near impossible to find in this condition, hence why we restore so many of them. You just don't find them like this. Just check out the original wheel. That wheel has not been refinished. Those are the original lug nuts, original center cap. You check out that wheel well. Literally flawless. Going down the side, beautiful. And look at this trim. No chips, no gouges. Rocker panels behind the doors, everything is truly flawless. Our guys did a beautiful job with the paint correction, which is about a 3-day service. The paint came in phenomenal, but like all of our XJs, we try to make them as nice as possible, no matter how pristine they are coming into us. Just in the shop here, XJ is getting wrapped up to get finished. That's a full restore. Actually don't have many in here right now, but all over the shop. We have 3 different departments. We had 3 XJs leave this week alone. Typically when we get a nice clean XJ in, we typically add our stage 2 package, which is, in a nutshell, that setup minus the rear tire carrier, different wheel package. But it's a very subtle 2.5, 3-inch lift. On this one, we would actually, so my personal opinion on this is it's phenomenal the way it is. However, a 2-inch lift with some Fox shocks, these wheels are gorgeous. I think we should keep these wheels, go with a 30 or 31-inch BFG all-terrain tire, white letters out. Gives it a subtle lift, not much at all. We'll redo all the steering components that go with the steering, which is our standard package. Keep these wheels BFGs, they will look absolutely beautiful. If this does not sell, today's August 1st, if we don't sell this by the 15th of August, that's what we're gonna do and remarket it. If you wanna buy it now and keep it the way it is, you can do it. If you wanna buy it and have us do that work, we'll give that option on the website at davisautosports.com as well. Let me just check out the mirrors. I mean, it's just the pillars, the roof. Good luck finding any Cherokee with a roof like that. I mean, look at the rain gutters. I mean, it shows 46,000 miles, but it looks like a 10,000 mile. Belt moldings, perfect all the way around. Usually those start to peel off. I mean, just truly remarkable find right here. And the best thing you haven't even seen yet is the undercarriage. The glass is in great condition. Look at that roof line. Bumper has, I think, 2 or 3 small little, I mean, when I say small, we point out everything, little things that we touched up. But that's original paint on original bumper right there. Tail lights, perfect. Let's open this while we're back here. Of course, shocks are perfect. But look at the hinges and everything. Just as clean as can be. Beautiful, beautiful Jeep. And this is, if you were into collecting them, this is absolutely collector quality. But if you want a very nice one, by very nice, probably one of the nicest ones that will ever be on the market to enjoy, keep at a weekend home, summer home. I will also say when our Cherokees hit the market, it's very rare that they do. 90% of the Cherokees we build are custom order. We fulfill the order, we ship them out to the client. In this case, where this is going to go on the market, it probably will sell in the first couple days. Once again, just look at that wheel. Beautiful condition. I have a ton of video footage coming up on the undercarriage, but while we're here, I'm just showing you this. Look at that. Window seal, perfect. A lot of times these roof racks we have to refinish and repaint. We did not touch this one. This thing's absolutely been garage kept. You look at the glass, how clean. And by clean, I'm speaking more condition wise, not the cleanliness of it. Usually they have chips in them and just scratches and they just look old. This glass looks brand new. Rockers flawless, dog legs flawless, inside of doors flawless. Both keys, both remotes, obviously 4-wheel drive, cruise control. Headliner doesn't have one area where it's sagging. Original floor mats, flawless. Does not get better than this. Non-smoker. The back floor mats are flawless. Back of the seats are perfect. Once again, jams perfect. Actually hear it starting to rain on our metal roof, so this thing is not going to be driven right now. I can absolutely 1000% reassure you this thing drives flawlessly. Just looks brand new. Look at the cruise control buttons. Top of the steering wheel's perfect. I mean, just no crack in the vinyl. So one thing that was done, which is a great upgrade on this, that's an original windshield as well. Look at the lower logo. Check out all the hardware. Usually this hardware is rusty and funky. I mean, it's just absolutely brand new. I mean, the stickers look like they were just put on. The insulation is still intact and looks perfect. I mean, just as clean as they come. So, Mishimoto radiator, which is probably a retail $1,200–1,300 radiator. It's all aluminum, double or triple core. It is authentic Nishimoto. There's a emblem and logo in there. It's not just a cap. So that's a very, very, very nice upgrade. Valve cover gasket's not leaking, rear main seal's not leaking, oil pan gasket's not leaking. I mean, this thing is, look at the hood springs. Usually they're just all funky and corroded. There's some white lithium grease that shows the previous owner would grease those regularly. I mean, it's the real deal, guys. Does not get any better. I'm not gonna drive it. I hear the rain coming down. Make sure to check out the rest of the video of the undercarriage. If you guys have any questions, 855-XJ-JEEPS. That's 855-955-3377. Limited edition with the very rare upcountry. So it has the front skid plate, it's got the transfer case skid plate, and it's got the gas tank skid plate. So very rare package on this thing. Probably the only one in the country with these miles in this condition. So you guys enjoy. It is Friday. If you guys are seeing this on YouTube or social media, if I don't answer, shoot me a text. You can also shoot me an email, jd@davisautosports.com, and we'll see you. Take care.